Hello children, how are you all? I know you all are fine and you are enjoying at home, right? But with playing, we must also study at home. Correct children? So, before this, how many alphabets we have finished? Can anyone tell me? Yes, we have finished till alphabet L. So, fast we are going to do revision of this alphabets, right? Come on, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. And now we are going to move to our next alphabet. What is that, you know? All of you look on the board. What it is? Correct. M. What is that? M. And look here, what it is? Yes. Very good. Everybody knows this. What is that? Mobile. How you know? Because you all play with it, right? But with playing, you have to study at home, right children? So, look what I am having in my hand. Can anyone see? What is this children? Mobile. Come on, all of you say, what is this? Mobile. So, M for mobile. Come on, say children. M for mobile. Good. Now look here. What it is? When you see this? Yes, we see it at night. And where you see? Correct. We see in the sky. What is that children? Yes, M for moon. Loudly children. M for moon. And with moon, can you see some tiny things which shines? What is that? Correct. Stars. So, we see moon and stars in the sky at night. Right children? So, M for moon. Again, M for moon. Now, look here. Which alphabet is this? Look here. Yes. N. Now, all of you, show me your finger. Show. Now move your finger round and round and you just see which body part I am touching. Look, all of you look here, look here, look here, look here. Yes. What is this children? Come on. Correct. Nose. N for nose. All of you. N for nose. Very good. Now all of you come on. Show me your nose. Good. Now run and touch your mummy's nose. Come on. Yes, very good. Now tell me, how many nose you have? Yes, we have one nose. How many nose we have? We have one nose. Now, what is this children? N for net. What it is? N for net. Have you seen this net? Yes, when we play tennis, right? Or when we play throw ball, that time we see net. What is this children? N for net. All of you, N for net. Now look here. Okay, what is this? Okay, it is of round shape. Which alphabet is that? Look here. Yes, O. Good. Can you see one thing children? If you don't see, then you run and go stand in front of a mirror. When we say O, what is the shape of our lips? It becomes round. Okay. So, O. All of you say, which alphabet is this? O. And which bird is this? It has got big eyes. And we see it at night. Which bird is that? Correct. Owl. O for owl. All of you children, O for owl. Again, O for owl. And can you see this? What is that? Yes, correct. It is a fruit. What is that children? It is a fruit. And what is the color of that fruit? Can anyone tell me? Correct. It is orange in color. So you know the name of that fruit? Yes, it is orange. It is orange in color. So name is also orange and it is very juicy fruit. Yes, mummy takes juice and she gives you to drink, right? Yes. O for orange. Loudly children. O for orange. Now, what is this? Which alphabet is this? Come on, tell me. Correct. This is P. Which letter is this? Correct. P. And can you say something? Yes, you all have seen. Yes, teacher takes you there to play. What is that? Correct. It is a park. What it is? Park. What you do in the park? You study? You write? No. What we do in the park? Yes, we play in the park. Where you play? Yes, we play on a swing. We play on a slide. Then we play on a seesaw. That is up and down. Right, children? So, P for park. Once again, P for park. Okay. Now look here. What it is? Come on, look at the picture. Correct. It is a flower. But where you plant it? In a pot. See, look here down. What is that? Pot. Okay, children, where do we plant? We plant it in a pot. So, what is this, children? Pot. So, P for pot. All of you, P for pot. Now, look here. Yes. Okay, what is this? Q. What is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. And I'll show you something. What is this? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is this? Yes. Can you see here? Okay, what is that you know? All of you have seen a bird? Okay, come on, stand up. And all of you show me how birds fly. Yes. Correct. Yes. All of you come on, first fly like a bird. Correct. Okay. So, this is a feather of a bird. So, what we call it, children? Q for quill. Again, children. Q for quill. Again, Q for quill. Now, look here. You all are good children, right? So, when we stand in an assembly in the morning, how you all stand? We stand in a line, correct? We stand in a line. When you go to the park, how you all go? You run and go? No, you all are good children. So, you form a straight line and you go in a line. We call it a queue. What we call it, children? Queue. Q for queue. Come on, all of you repeat. Q for queue. Again, Q for queue. Now, look here. Okay, down. Which alphabet is that? Come on, anyone can tell me? Yes, this is R. Which letter is this, children? R. And can you see one thing? Which animal is this? Yes, we see in a KG park. Which animal is that? Yes, small one, right? Yes, it is a rabbit. So, R for rabbit. All of you repeat, children. R for rabbit. Again, R for rabbit. Now, which animal is this? Yes, it is a rat. Which animal is this, children? Rat. Okay. Have you seen a rat? Yes. Where we see it? Yes, we see inside a house. Sometimes it comes. Have you seen this, children? Correct. We see it inside our house. Sometimes it comes, no? And eat the things. So, what is that? Yes, R for rat. What it is? R for rat. Again, children, R for rat. So, how many alphabets we learned today? Yes, we have learned total 6 alphabets. So, what you are going to do, you know? Every day you are going to do revision of it. And you are going to find different objects with this alphabet. And next time when I come, you have to show me that. Okay, children? So be a good children and study well. Thank you.
Dear students, do remember to hit that like and subscribe button and press the bell icon too.